Guys, in this video I'm gonna be unboxing and setting up the Tile Mate. We bought 4 because my mom needs one and I need one, and we found out it's actually cheaper to get 4 instead of 2. So if you buy 2, it's $50, and if you buy 4, it's $45. So not only we could save $5, but we could get 2 extra tiles. So we bought an extra 2 tiles. This looks really cool. I need it for my phone because I constantly use my phone. We have Find My iPhone, except sometimes both me and my mom's phone is both missing, and we have to ask my dad to sound it for us. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing the tile. Now we are unboxing the tile. Now we want to. How am I gonna open this? I'll use this plug. Use this plug. I know, very professional unboxing. Okay, I just got out of school, and this is actually easier than I thought. Okay, oh my god, no, never mind. You're probably wondering what that is. That is, we have some contractor at our house that's doing stuff to our house. So yeah, they're renovating it. As you can tell, they got rid of the New York wallpaper. You said it looks cool, but to be honest, I kind of thought it was an eyesore, so I got rid of it. And also, it kind of looked bad. It looked like poorly made, and so I didn't. And it looked like a high schooler's room. So I got rid of the wallpaper, and now my room looks a million times better. If I can unbox it, okay. I'm gonna break the box within this process. Okay, you just slide it out. Apparently. Oh, there's still one more. I'm stupid. Okay, so there's like a bunch of little seals here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 seals. I have everything except I forgot one over here, so I'm gonna do that. I don't want you, anybody who's watching this, I don't want you to say in any way that this is a professional video. It's not. It really isn't. I'm just someone who just got a tile. Here's our tile. What does it say? Together we find. Ooh, different languages. Okay. Here, oh, I like this layout. It's cool. Okay, that's a tile, and let's take it out. Ooh, and what's in here? Here, box, little manual, and manual. Okay, oh, this is one of those weird manuals. Oh, this is just like the Apple manuals. Cool. Okay. Now let's just set up one tile. Just one. Oh, this is the kind of one you can actually replace the batteries in this one, can you? That's it. That's cool. Okay. Now what do we do? Where's the manual? What do I do? Do I just oh. No, these are for my parents. Okay, I'll just set up this one real quick. And, okay, now what? Let me see if there's like an app. Warranty, that's not it. Okay, well, here's all the mess stuff. Yeah. Okay, here is the manual, a bunch of different languages. Okay. Where is English? I want English. I want English. What? Oh, okay. Here we go. Here's English. Welcome to Tile. Let's get started. Download the app and the free Tile app. Thankfully, I decided to record on a different device so I can use my phone. Okay. So what we gotta do is we gotta download the Tile app. What does that mean? Uh-oh. Did I break? Oh, here it is. That's a B. Well, let's download. Okay, App Store. I have a million apps on my phone. And, yeah. Okay. Tile. Do I just download Tile? What does it say here? It says download and the free Tile app. So I guess I just do Tile. Tile. And it shows Tile Hop. Fun. Find lost keys and phone. Alrighty then. Downloading. Scan my ID. Good. Got it. Cool, 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 cool. There you go. It's downloading, and I think it's about to be done. Yeah. Okay. You're in the Tile app. Welcome to Tile. Get started. No way, you can... I think it's just a sign that the battery's about to die. Also, speaking of the battery, can I get in it? I mean, it looks like you can take the battery off. It looks like you can, so this is a good design. I mean, the other tile that my mom had, it couldn't replace the battery. You would just have to buy another one. Whoa, it's so cool. You can like set like different things. I didn't know that these were things for tile enabled. And there's like a little tile like credit card thing for your wallet. That's cool. Okay, let's activate a tile. I'm just gonna activate TileMate, and I'm gonna have to sign up for this. Choose my own password. Yeah, I'm signing up for Tile. And okay. It should have sent a verification code to my email. In the meantime, you can listen to that awesome beat. I'm gonna break it. Yeah, how about non? Okay. So, mail. Do we have a new email? Yes, we have an email. Okay. Copy it, and then paste it. Oh, wait, so the email, okay. I can't type it in, what the heck? Oh, I think I already am typing it in, okay. Okay. There we go, we got the verification. Now let's allow Bluetooth. Now we gotta click the button. Next. Oh, it says activating tile. Yay, found it. Next. I'm just gonna say, is there a way to set like custom maybe? Other. I'm just gonna call it tile 1. Because I don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet. Next. Hang tight, we're connecting your tile so you can ring it. Okay. Now what? I feel kind of cheap. But, I mean, this is one of the lower end models, so. Okay, now we wait. Don't know how long is this gonna take, so I'm just gonna check these other tiles. So cool, here's a few more tiles. Oh, can we click it? Oh, well, I don't want to screw around with the setup, so I don't want to click the buttons, but. Okay, let's see what else is in the manual. Okay, this is just the warranty card. Oh, okay. Yeah, looks like you can actually replace the battery. So that's pretty cool. And, you know, I'm going to make the box just like, I'm going to put the box back because I want to keep the box safe. And, yeah. Okay, well, I'll come back to you when this finishes. So, yeah. Goodbye. Okay, I am back. I have just set up the tile. And I also have just set up the app. It took a really long time, so I just clicked skip, and then it wasn't recognizing my phone, which made sense because it couldn't scan that. I had to change a few settings, and then I eventually got it working. So, that's my phone. I'm gonna stop that. There we go. Yeah, and it turns the volume all the way up when it happens, and then what you do is and then it like turns up the volume on your phone, and then once you once you dismiss it, then it turns the volume back down to where you had it before. That is really cool, and it also works vice versa. If I click find on my phone, that's the tile. Now that is considerably more annoying. So yeah, this is the tile, and I tested the range. It's actually pretty long. Like, I've had this at the other side of the house, and it works great. So I'm thinking of just putting this in one room because I lose my phone all the time. So I'm thinking of just having this in one room, like taped on the wall or something, and I could double click it. Oh, and by the way, too, for some reason the default is to double click it, and then it rings it on you, and then it rings your phone. So yeah, that is what the tile is. I like this one because you can actually replace the battery. And also now I have a couple more to set up, and I'm giving this one to my mom. So I will see you guys later. Bye.